Did you know that your reflection could help you manifest your dreams instantly? Sounds wild, right? But hang tight, because today we're diving into something that could change your manifestation game forever. Welcome back to your own channel, everyone. Today, I'm super excited to introduce you to an incredible technique called the mirror reflection technique. Now, this isn't just some random trick. It's a powerful method that taps into the energy of your reflection to help you manifest your desires. And let me tell you, the timing couldn't be more perfect. With 2024 just around the corner, it's the ideal opportunity to start fresh and align with your goals. So, get ready to learn how this technique can shift your mindset and bring your dreams closer to reality. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll want to grab a mirror and start practicing. Alright, let's get real for a moment. Manifestation can be a tricky business, right? I mean, how many times have you set a goal only to feel that nagging doubt creeping in? Or maybe you've had a clear vision of what you want, but somehow it just feels out of reach. You're not alone in this. Many people struggle with these same challenges. There's the lack of clarity. Like, what do you truly want? And then there's that feeling of being disconnected from your goals, which can make it hard to stay motivated. It's like you've got this amazing dream waiting for you, but all these doubts and fears are blocking the path. And let's be honest, that can be super frustrating. So how do we overcome these hurdles? That's where the mirror reflection technique comes in. So, let's dive into how the mirror reflection technique works. First off, you'll need a mirror. It can be a full-length mirror or just a handheld one. Whatever works for you. The key is to find a quiet space where you can focus without distraction. No kids, no pets, no phone notifications, just you and your reflection. Once you're set up, take a deep breath and look into your reflection. This is where the magic happens. Now, here's the important part. You want to start talking to yourself as if you're already living your dream. For example, if you're trying to manifest a new job, you might say, "I am so grateful for my amazing job that fulfills me and supports my lifestyle." Make it as vivid and specific as possible. Picture yourself in that role. Feel the excitement, the gratitude, and the joy. This is crucial because it helps you shift your mindset from wanting something to believing you already have it. And don't forget, consistency is key. Try to do this practice daily, ideally in the morning or evening when you have some quiet time. It might feel a little weird at first. Talking to yourself in the mirror can be a bit awkward, but trust me, it gets easier and more powerful with time. You'll start to feel those positive vibes building up, and before you know it, you'll be manifesting your dreams like a pro. The mirror acts as a powerful tool for self-affirmation and visualization. By speaking your desires out loud, you are imprinting them on your subconscious mind and aligning your energy with your goals. Now, it's not just about the words you say, it's also about the energy you bring to the practice. As you speak your affirmations, really feel them in your bones. Imagine the emotions you'd experience if your dreams were already a reality. Let that joy, that gratitude, that sense of accomplishment wash over you. The more you embody those feelings, the stronger your manifestation will be. Remember, the universe responds to vibration. So, the more positive and aligned your vibration is with your desires, the faster they will manifest into your reality. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds a bit woo-woo. Does it really work? Well, let me share a personal story that convinced me of the power of this technique. A few years ago, I was stuck in a job that was draining my soul. I felt uninspired and unfulfilled. I knew I wanted something more, but I didn't know what that was or how to get there. One day, I stumbled upon a video about the mirror reflection technique and decided to give it a try. Every morning, I'd look in the mirror and tell myself, I am passionate about my work. I am making a difference in the world. I am financially abundant. At first, it felt silly, even forced. But after a few weeks, something incredible happened. I started to believe those words. I began to see opportunities I hadn't noticed before. And within a few months, I landed my dream job, one that I truly love and that allows me to live a life of purpose. But this isn't just about feel-good vibes. There's actually science to back this up. Studies have shown that positive affirmations and visualization can rewire our brains and create new neural pathways. This means that by consistently practicing the mirror reflection technique, you're literally training your brain to focus on the positive and attract your desires. Plus, when you see yourself in the mirror embodying your goals, it tricks your brain into thinking it's already happening. This creates a sense of confidence and motivation that propels you towards taking action and making those dreams a reality. Now, let me give you some tips to make the most out of this technique. Tip number 1. Be specific. Don't just say, "I want a new job." Say, "I am grateful for my fulfilling new job at a company that values my skills and contribution." Tip number 2. Use the present tense. Speak as if your desires are already happening. This reinforces the belief that they are within your reach. Tip number 3. Feel the emotions. Don't just recite words. Connect with the feelings of joy, gratitude, and excitement that come with achieving your goals. Tip number 4. Be consistent. Make this a daily practice. The more you do it, the more powerful it becomes. Tip number 5. Trust the process. Let go of any doubts or fears. Believe that the universe is conspiring to help you achieve your dreams. Tip number 6. Visualize. As you speak your affirmations, close your eyes and visualize yourself living your dream life. See it, feel it, and believe it. Tip number 7. Gratitude. Express gratitude for what you already have. This opens you up to receiving even more abundance. Tip number 8. Take action. Don't just sit back and wait for your dreams to fall into your lap. Take inspired action towards your goals. The mirror reflection technique will help you attract opportunities, but you need to be ready to seize them. So to wrap it all up, the mirror reflection technique is a fantastic tool to help you manifest your dreams in 2024. It's all about shifting your mindset, connecting with your desires on a deeper level, and harnessing the power of your own reflection. Remember, consistency and belief are your best friends in this journey. Take the time each day to look in the mirror, speak your truth, and truly feel the energy of what you want. You have the power to create the life you desire. The universe is listening, and your reflection is the key to unlocking your limitless potential. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried any manifestation techniques? What's your experience been like? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing content. Also, be sure to check out my next video, where I'll be sharing more techniques that can help you on your manifestation journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.